Question is, a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. Find the number. Now in this question, it is given that a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits and twice the product of its digits. So we have to find the number. Because number is two digit, let tens digit be x, units digit is y. Therefore, number is 10x plus y. According to condition, according to condition, 10x plus y is 4 times the sum of its digits. That is, the number equals 4 times the sum of its digits. This implies 10x plus y equal to 4x plus 4y. We get 6x equal to 3y, or this implies 2x equal to y. This we put as 1. Also, let us apply the second condition, that the number 10x plus y is 2 times the product of its digits. That is, the number is twice the product of its digits. Let us use 1. Y we will substitute as 2x. So this implies 10x plus 2x equals 2x into 2x from 1. This implies 12x equals 4x square, or this implies 4x square minus 12x equal to 0. We take 4x common, x minus 3 is 0. This implies x is 0 or x equal to 3. Let us see whether both values of x are possible or not. If we look in the beginning, x is tens digits. So tens digit cannot be 0. So number will not be a two-digit number. Also, x is not equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 3. So from 1, y equals 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore, number is 36.